Okay, I'm going to attempt to explain to you what you have to do for your practice screencast. A screencast is most often used by educators if they are trying to remediate a student or maybe move them on and accelerate them. If you look at the bottom, that's where the information that you need. So if I want to stop sharing, I click here. I can hide that so it won't be seen when we are doing the recording. And this is your toolbar. So your toolbar just shows you the different things that you can do. For the purposes of what we're doing here, we're not going to use most of these. If I need to pause it, I can. When I'm ready to finish, I can click here. If I wanted to see my face, I can click start webcam and it will show you my face. For this assignment, you can choose any website you would like just to practice using the screencast. So I chose just to use something simple, which is Amazon. You can choose anything. Some people choose Star Trek. Some people choose different kinds of things. So I could go through the details of telling people how to best navigate Amazon. If I wanted to use some of the things that are here and I wanted to highlight some things, I could. So I could click the pen, and if I want to circle stuff, I could circle stuff. If I wanted to point out things, I could use the pen and point out things. If I wanted to erase everything, I could clear the screen. All right, and then I could go back. Um, the main purpose for this one is just for you to practice. To get started, if you go to the instructions, it tells you step by step how to get started. It gives you all the instructions. All you're doing is you're going to Screencastify and you're downloading Screencastify. This is ScreenPal. I like Screencastify better, or Screencast-O-Matic, either one better. Once you have logged in or you created your account, if you have a Gmail account, you can create it quickly by just logging into your Gmail account once you click login. Uh, if I click login here, it's going to ask me what do I want. I logged in using my other email address. When you are done, you can go ahead and add, if you're opening up your Google, you can add the icon right here. So the icon up there that says Screencastify, you can add it so that you can get to it quickly. And then all you're doing is you're creating a screencast that explains any website. The second one, of course, it has to be an educational website, but for the purpose of this one, it could be any website. The important thing is you have to download Screencastify, and then you're just going to make your videos from there. Once you finish, you will have the option to edit it. So when I finish,